It's already.
So this is where we park. Daghan na siya dito ka parkingan. So the reception area. So, man siya yung view sa lang restaurant. Diba? Super nice. View.
Come, sister.
Okay, welcome to Talisa Elche. Hi!
Mommy.
And our chef. Chef Bobby.
Ano pa?
Ayan ka to kay Banilad. O, diba? Hari lang Miss Talisay kay para dool ba? 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Hi, babies.
Hi.
Hi, Antri.
Welcome to my mountain.
What?
Mist mountain.
Huh?
Mist.
Mist mountain.
Meaning mist. There's a CR. There's some tables. And there's a charging area. There's a sink over there, so you can just wash your dishes. There's the pathway going to the parking area, which is just very near, walking distance. Thank you. Hey, liguanan. Toilet. And another toilet. Their toilet is very nice.
Mommy? Mommy? Mommy, no.
Swim and train. Din, sa tapag swim and train, din.
Silang mara.
It's a reef. Oh,
Yeah.
look, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Boss, okay na, boss?
Reef.
Okay, kaya.
Mommy, hindi mo pa dito. Wow!
Wala. Naan ara niya, balik na.
Ha? Hello.
Ha? Kisa ninyo? From there to there.
Daddy, did
Ah, perfect. Nang Leyte versus unsa ni? Cebu ba? Cebu?
Branch.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go shoot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Pwede pa ba? Balik daw, balik. Wah. Naunsan naman. Woo! Kasi buha dara di ay.
Daddy, I won.
Wala mo gira. Mama.
Mommy, show me the book.
Hi everyone. So, Naklaro na ba ninyo ang fog?
no, I cannot see anyone.
Na basihin ninyo ang suga, di ba? Magyadag fog. Ano niyo fog? Gagauwan man, no? Oh, tanawa mong tent diri. So, di ba? Oh, dito, grabe. Oh, fog kayo siya. Mafeel ako, naklaro ganyan. Di ba? Nice kayo mong experience diri. And also, kami ray nag camping diri.
Campers.
Yeah. Gauwan dyan na ha. It's very lapo turns. Oh. Also mine. Oh, di ba? Sudlan ang kuon, killed. Di ba? Oh, gabi na yan siya also very lapokers. Baby train kay gitugnaw na nagmayo. Ligo pool and then nagawan pa jud. Oh,
Para daw makafog.
di ba na magimi under the kon, under the trees. Daghan ka siya na kon pero still basa kay. Di ba nak?
I hate.
It's bulldog time. Ay, ano naman ako, pilit naman akong video. Bugnaw kaya pa. Ganilak na baba.
Bulldog challenge
With kuan daw, ano yan?
with Absolute Sprite vodka and Red Horse on the side.
Yay.
Look at this guy.
Sprite lang for me. And Coke.
Time check, 5:31. Let's go. Medyo dako-dako siya. Here, 2 tents. And then, maybe kitchen right here. To the other. So basically, we have other campgrounds here. 3 tents. Siguro 3 tents ang masulod dere. So sa Bangkal, actually they have the same. Hey. Bangkal. Ako siya dari. 1, 2. I think 5 or 6 tents. Ang masulod dari. Mga average sized. But that's too far na from our campground over there. Right over there is the CR. Their mess hall. We have water. We have running water. So gana ra jud siya. Marami tubig. There's the grill area for grill tables and chairs. And we have this. Tadang, very important. And there's my Malco.
Guys, that is the campsite. Padong naong dito. And this is where we park. And now, so sa diha. And then, that's the playground. And the rooms. Actually, rooms ito dito kanina. Amazing. The time is almost 12 noon. It's nanguan pa na sila oras na nilok pa jud. Guys. And I like their CR. Clean kayo. So, na ka sa baba.